Hello everyone, we are at the MTech 23 Bangalore. We have Mr. Anil Kumar, the Managing Director of Ceratizit, and we want to know from you, sir, how is the company working on the sustainability of the future, sir?
Okay, you have asked very important and relevant question. This is, as on date, this is most important. And as Ceratizit, we have been working on sustainability very aggressively. If you have read somewhere on the screens and all that, we are also displaying that sustainability is our mission. Okay, so our targets are really tough. We have decided to be, not only decided, taken action. So we will be carbon neutral by 2025. We will reduce carbon output by almost 35%. And then by 2030, we'll reduce by 65%. By 2040, we want to be net negative. And we have taken all the actions. Number one action is, this green carbide. We have already come up with that. We are already doing the recycling. It's called circularity. So whatever carbide we use from the earth, from the minerals, we make the tools, we supply to customer, we collect back, we recycle, make a new tool. So the new carbide is called the green carbide because it uses almost 80% less carbon than the original tool. So that's a huge saving for the world. So for all customers, this will be the future and will be partner with them for reducing their carbon footprint. That's one thing. Number second, globally we are going to use, we have rather purchased in advance green electricity, which is produced with green resources and all that. So we have paid extra and we have secured our supplies till next 1 year at least. In India, we have already invested with a solar plant. It is worth of 100 kilowatt peak power. So it is called KWP. That is in Calcutta. And in Bangalore, we have two plants. So there, all our periphery lights are solar lights. And in the coming years, we have already planned for the solar lights. So that is another action. So raw material, recycled, green carbide, electricity, green. Then next is green hydrogen. So we'll be using green hydrogen. So produced without chemicals and all that. So all this is being contributed. Besides that, we are also coming up with new products for Industry 4.0. One of the product is tool scope. And it is really very futuristic product. It is used along with the machine and increases the productivity. Reduces the breakage of the tool, saves the cost for the customers. So that is a very advanced setup what we are doing. Besides that, we have many products and also we are giving a solution here for e-mobility. So people are still figuring out what we already have solutions. So you come, if you are working with the e-cars or e-two-wheelers, we have the solution. We are doing 3D printing for higher feed rates, very close indexing, more number of teeth. So all these things we are doing, all for the benefit of the customer, for the benefit of our future.
So how do you see Indian crowd, Indian people accepting your presence here in Indian market?
Okay, we are very well present in the India. Almost all our customers know Ceratizit, and those who don't know us, that's why this booth is there. We are inviting them, please visit us, know Ceratizit. We have complete range. Actually, we have 100,000 products in standard catalogs. So most of the things, whatever you are requiring for your machining, we will be having in a standard catalog. If we don't have, then we give specials. In India, we have 3 plants and we work on all 3 plants special. So whether it is inserted solution, whether it's solid carbide, whether it is PCD, we have the solution. Plus, we are ready to help our customers to reduce their carbon footprint. So I think it is a good proposal. I like to show my customers some of the latest products and some of the innovations. So let's see here. So this is the green carbide. We have kept 2 rods, and the grade is called, GS20Y, and this is produced purely from recycled carbide. And we have all the details here. We can scan it and get the details, but the performance of this grade is as good as it is equivalent to the new grade. So performance wise, it's same or rather a little bit better, and then it's saving your carbon footprint. Then we produced a silver line tools from these rods, that is green carbide, and this is a special coating which gives extraordinary performance. Both these products have got recently, they have been awarded in AMB show, and the award is called Award. So we are proud of this product. I'd like to take you further now to e-mobility solutions for electric vehicles. So you can see here, to machine e-motor housing stator, we have the tools here. Then we have similarly some tools for brake caliper. So all these tools are there to machine these components. This one, if you see, this is a 3D printed tool. This is used for machining the rotor bow. So all the cartridges, the holding place for cartridges, they are all 3D printed with special coolant holes to flush out the chips properly, and it is lightweight but very, very strong with PCD inserts. So you get high output, very good finish, and excellent chip evacuation. So this complete range is for e-mobility, including this. This is lightweight boring bar. Very big diameter with you see these cartridges and special coolant channels here directly onto the inserts. All this is 3D printed. Then we have other solutions here. If you see, this is aluminum alloy wheel, whether it's e-car or whether it is IC engine, the aluminum alloy wheel will remain. So we have 100% solution for this. So we welcome all our customers to use the solution from Ceratizit. So thank you very much. So this is some of the solutions what we have. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for showing us the products, and also working on the sustainability for the country and for the humanity, basically for the future generations to come. So that's a very noble thought that the organization is working towards, and it was amazing talking to you, sir.
Thank you very
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you so much. Okay, right. Bye bye.